Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your Bose S1 Pro Plus available on Android device? So I already installed the application what Bose offer for the speakers and other device, and if we open it right here we just click setup new product and it trying to find it, and then we can see supported devices for this application. So you scroll down and click at the portable PA. Now we should wait, and here we go. Right here we have supported devices. So we need to find S1 Pro Plus, and right here we have it. So my short answer is yes, it's available on Android devices. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!